Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Ford Territory 2009 model SY. We already finished the system with the 7-inch premium setup, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, 4G SIM card internet ready, and so much more: GPS, Bluetooth, radio, AM, FM, and of course come with our very usual Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera. On the screen you're seeing the wireless Apple CarPlay is running, and it is now showing the reverse camera. Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn the key onto the ignition. So with ignitions on, you quickly see the cameras on. It's super clear, super detailed, and quickly it comes back to Apple CarPlay, and quickly it comes to the reverse camera. So that's the way it works, and also full setup and customizable. The steering wheel control 1, 2, 3, and 4. The button here connect well into the new system. We have volume up and down, and we have six button to be the answer button, and we have the other button to be different function as well, the mode button here. So easily we already get the steering wheel control connected well into our system. Now it's the fun thing and interesting thing is about the air conditioner control thing. Just have a look here. You know that the air conditioner control panel is new here, and now if in case you want to see the air conditioner control panel, you actually can go into here and look at this. You can go and see your air conditioner control panel over here, which you can definitely see that if you want to change anything over here, AC on, AC off, you can see that is on, off, okay, off and on. Yep. So what you control from the new air conditioner control panel here, it will show up on the screen, even in case you want to see exactly what you are doing. Okay. So it's very easy to use at this moment. Okay. And if you don't want to get this system anymore, you can get out of this screen easily, you know, by go back to the Apple CarPlay. Okay, very easy between Apple CarPlay and other system. So that's the function of the new design. And yeah, you don't lost the screen of air conditioner control. You have new panel of air conditioner control, and you know it looks like factory fit, perfectly fit into the place. So that's all we want for this model. And yep, so we want to say thank you again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.